Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, and for today's video, I am going to be doing a Crazy Art slime review. I have gotten slime from Crazy Art in the past, and I really love their company. They do such a good job, and I thought it would be really fun to buy more. You can never have too much slime. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Just so you guys know, I post every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, really quickly before we start, I just want to show you guys my slime and squishy area. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to show you my guinea pigs. So now I'm going to open the cage and show them to you. This is Snickers. And this is Cinnamon. Cinnamon is actually very smart. She figured out how to unlock the cage. I got a video of it. It was pretty early in the morning, so it wasn't the best video, but I'll show it to you. Cinnamon is trying to break out of the cage right now. She's attempting, she can't get it, but I do have my lock system is working. But she is breaking out right now. You naughty, naughty girl. Moving on to the shelving area, I'm going to show you what slimes we're going to be reviewing. So here's one of the slimes we're going to be opening. It's a Crazy Art clear slime. And we have a purple slime as well. So here's the first slime we are going to be opening. So it's made by Crazy Art and it's Crazy Slimy pre-made purple slime. The packaging was nice. It came in a plastic bucket with a handle. They also had a plastic seal on the lid, which was nice. When I opened the lid, I was expecting the slime to be sticky, but it was actually really nice and it made really good clicking noises. Whenever I buy store-bought slimes, they're usually not very good. A lot of times they're just hard and not stretchy, and they're also very expensive, but this slime wasn't expensive at all. It was only $5 and it felt just like a homemade slime and it was really fun to play with. This slime also made really nice bubble pops. This is probably one of the nicest store-bought slimes I've ever gotten. It feels just like a homemade slime. It makes good clicking noises, it's stretchy, and it makes good bubble pops. And yeah, it's just a nice slime. If you guys want to get a nice store-bought slime, I definitely recommend Crazy Art. It's a really good brand and it's only $5 at Walmart in case you guys are interested. Up next we have a clear slime which is also made by Crazy Art. It comes in the same packaging as the first one, although the lid is a different color. I really love clear slime, so when I saw this at Walmart, I totally wanted to get it. It was just so clear. I don't know how they did it. It was just amazing. I am just mesmerized on how clear this slime is. I don't know how they did it. It's just amazing. It's probably one of the clearest slimes I've ever played with. This slime is really nice. It's really good for poking noises. It's also good for stretching and crunching. I did notice this slime was a little bit stickier than the purple one. Even though there were air bubbles in the slime after playing with it, it was still really pretty. I definitely recommend this slime. It's so much fun to play with. I just love how crystal clear it is. It feels just like a homemade slime and it's really nice. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below which slime you liked the best. And again, I post every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. Really quickly before you guys go, I have a quick announcement to make. For my next video, I am going to be doing an Instagram controls my slime video. So I'm going to be posting a couple of Instagram stories and you guys are going to be voting what ingredients I should put into my slime. I should have those polls up in a few days. So if you guys would like to vote, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. Bye! See you guys next week!